Okay, we're back. We just went to the Palm Jumeirah. We have some dinner, and some other guys joined the group, and now we're heading to last exit. And again, they're going over Jumeirah Road. So I hope it don't become too hot, but it's become a little bit cooler outside. So, and also I hope it's not so busy like before. So let's see how long the GoPro will last, the battery, and I can show you guys how the ride is for tonight. In the background you can see the Bou Al Jarab. Driving on the Hayabusa, and Deliveroo is passing by, and also some cars. Okay, we go to the right. No, we're not going over Jumeirah Road, so that's a relief. But we have to wait on the other guys, so listen at the sound of the blocks. I love the sound. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Suzuki Hayabusa and a Range Rover. And the children, they love the motorcycles, really. Let's see. I don't even know with how many bikes we are now riding. Let's see where we're going. This in front of me, 2019 brand new Busa. Let's see where we're going. I prefer to ride as last in the group, so I can see all the bikes where they are, not going behind me or next to me. So let's see if I can direct them so I can be the last bike. Or these things happen. Come on. So now I think I'm the last one, so yes. Let me count the bikes. How many we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bikes. car behind me. Oh, so always funny to see how the people drive here. And the corners, also me, I'm not a hero in the corners, but these guys, they're even worse than me, so let's pass them in the corners. I'm not a hero in the corner, but yeah, you can talk shit about me. Oh, you cannot drive a corner, you cannot take a turn with the bike. Okay, I know I cannot. For me it's okay. If you can do it better, show me, upload the video, show me. I don't care. I'm enjoying what I'm doing now. And for sure, if the people are better than me, have fun, be my guest, enjoy it. Let's see, where are we going? First time on the highway. With this temperature is very nice. We're driving with 9 Hayabusas and 1 Honda CB1000. And the weather is very good. Oh, it's just very good, not cold. And you see the delivery drivers, you see a lot of them. And all the people making videos. And we also make videos. So if you like what you see, push the like button, subscribe to the channel, so in the future we can make some more videos. A little bit show off with the lounge. And in the background you see the Burj Khalifa. At the moment the tallest building in the world. He really liked the lamps, but today there are no flames, but tomorrow I will change the mapping of the bike and then it will have some flames. guys, what are you doing, man? Left, right, left, right. Some people drive very dangerous. This is what I'm not liking about the highway in Dubai. People just go left, right, left, right. This, I will pass this one like so. It's more safe for me. And let's make a nice shot of the skyline from Dubai. And you cannot feel it, but the weather, it's amazing. And look at the Honda. Also with the lights. So now you see it's not only show bikes, but they also drive the bikes. Let's pass the car. This type of things you have to watch out, because you never know what they are doing. But that's normal, especially when they're using the telephone for WhatsApp or Facebook. They're not watching the road. But this is the life of a biker nowadays. Buildings, now you can feel the change of the temperature, because you're coming now into the city. It's getting more hotter. Yeah, I only can talk about it with you guys, you cannot feel it, but trust me, sometimes you feel a lot of heat or cold wind. And this is what I like about the Hayabusa. It's just a 6th gear. And just full throttle and it goes. Look at the skyline. I don't have much to say today. So again, I hope you like the video. I hope I do a great job with editing this video. Maybe I can also put some footage of the other GoPro into this video. And coming week, because it's still possible to drive the bike, so coming days I try to take every night a bike to make a round and make a video. This is one, the Hayabusa with the Akrapovic, again a full system, and of course extensions. So maybe 1 or 2 years, then everybody will remove the extensions and they will ride with the swing arms. But for now, it's a start.